Here's the sander in question. There's the in-feed side. There's a video at the end of these I'll put on. There's the three-phase 600-volt control panel. It's single belt, as you can see, and it has a 2 1/4 or 2.5 inch platen underneath that you put down for your final pass. Off to the side there you can see that's the speed motor controller and the motor for the belt drive. And there's the inside of it. I have about 2 or 3 belts of each to go with it. Listening to this, I was trying to figure out where the noise is coming from, but I got the camera set up next to the return air filters from the dust collection system, which is outside. That's right out of the planer, one pass in the sander at 100 grit.